my gosh, you guys, look at how purple this is. Hey, Mandi maniacs!
Hey, Shizumi!
So, I know this hair color has been hanging on a lot longer than it should. I was letting my hair kind of get healthy and grow out. Well, now I'm going to dye it, but still keeping it healthy. And she's going to be doing her ends.
Purple, purple, purple!
So, this hair color, it's pretty brand new. It's called Better Natured. And see this color right here, this purple? That's what we're doing. So, I'm going to also use their 20 volume. You're supposed to use these together. They're the same company. And what I like is it's a 20 vol, so no damage to your hair because it's a very gentle level versus like a 30 or even a 40. They're both vegan, cruelty-free, all-natural, silicone-free, no nasty chemicals unnecessarily. So we're going to see how these guys work. I've never used this brand before, so I'm super curious. The other option was Ion, which, honestly, guys, I don't really like Ion. So I thought, let's give these guys a go. And see what turns out. As you can see, my hair color to start is like really dark brown in the root. And then it's lighter from where I had dyed
So
my
it'll
hair
look like
red.
an ombre.
Yeah, it'll be an ombre. I'm hoping from
like that to like neon purple.
I'm hoping for a midnight purple to like a little bit more of a zesty purple, but still hopefully a dark midnight purple. She's hoping, show your ends, buddy. She's going to be doing it in her ends, so she's hoping for more of a vibrant, think motionless and white purple. So, she might go a little higher up, I'm thinking, on hers too, to have like, so she'll have an ombre effect too, from like a midnight purple to a motionless purple. I'm hoping I don't get a motionless purple.
You're gonna, because while your ends are very
Yours
light.
are lighter than mine though, so I'm hoping
They're
I
about the
still
same.
keep the like, what I'm looking for is like a dark brown essentially that has a very slight purple hue.
It's gonna be motionless purple.
So, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Yep.
So, it's a 1-to-1 ratio when you're mixing. So I'm going to start by getting this all mixed up. Instead of using my mixing bowl, I've had a lot of mess with that. I feel this is less mess, an applicator bottle, and it's easier to kind of control. So that's what I'll be using. So, the ratio when you use the Better Nature is, it is a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 2 fluid ounces developer to 2 fluid ounces colorant. So this comes in a 4, this comes in a 2. So it'd be 2 boxes of this to 1 box of this. This guy only holds 6, so I'll be using half of this and then him for 1 bottle. And I think I'm gonna mix up 2 bottles because it is for my hair and the ends of my daughter's hair. So I'll probably start with 1 and then I can mix up the next. That'll be simpler, I think. Also, I recommend wearing gloves with this so you don't get any kind of staining. So let's get this all mixed up and see how it goes. So this is her ends. As you can see, it's a lot more purple than we were expecting. So it's going to be interesting to see how that turns out. You excited?
Yes.
So, hopefully the dye is just, more, it'll be more subtle when it washes out. I mean, I know she wants a loud purple, so there was some way it could be her loud purple, and for me, the barely there purple. We'll find out. I have a scared feeling we're both going to end up with motionless and white colored hair. Gosh, you guys, look at how purple this is. That is seriously crazy, right? That is really, really, really purple. I don't know. Hopefully it's not going to be this bright. Whoa. I think this is a really cute hair color. By the way, for the right person, I'm not that person. I'm hoping for more of like a midnight purple. I don't know if you guys have seen that. It's like a plum, like a black purple where it's like dark and barely purple. You really have to look to see the purple in it. This isn't that. This is like really loud, you guys. This is like a neon, whoa. So, I don't know. Hopefully it's just, the way the dye is looking, and when it comes out, it's gonna be like really, really subtle.
So, here it is. Look at that. Look at that.
She looks adorable. Dark hair isn't for me. I should stay in my own lane with red, right, guys?
The purple. I like it.
Oh, she's bad, but it's okay. I'll leave this for a while, and then I'll just go back to my red.
Look at that. Purple. I love the purple.
It looks cute on you.
And her hair is still wet.
Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. Is it going to be even more
I hope
purple?
so.
So, here it is in the daytime.
Yeah.
All dry. Its final color.
Purple.
Yours is super cute.
I love it.
And super, super cute. A really nice pop of color. Ours turned out pretty much the same color, right? I would say so.
Yeah, for sure.
Yours is a little bit brighter, which is good.
A little bit.
So that is the final result, guys. If you have like dark brown hair, expect it to, and what's nice, if you have like a dark brown at the roots and then like a lighter like blondish orange at the bottom, look, it's all seamless. It's all the same color. See that? There's no like where you can tell it was two different colors. So that I kind of love. So, would you recommend this brand?
Yes.
I think
Better
this is my
Natured.
Better Natured. I think it's my new favorite go-to brand, honestly. And I like that it works this well with a 20 volume developer. It's amazing.
Yes.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please remember to like
And follow or subscribe. Go, Shih Tzu Army. Bye.
The sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the wind.